In this video, I will be showing you how to make a book cover on Canva. Let's get started. First, I start on the main Canva homepage and move my cursor up to the central search bar that asks what I will design today. I click inside the box, type in book cover, and press enter to search for templates. Once the search results load on screen, I head over to the right side of the Canva templates section and click on See All so I can explore the full catalog of available designs. Next, I start scrolling down through the template gallery to check out different genres, photo layouts, and typography concepts. I scroll past various cover options until I find one that fits my vision. I choose the template titled Blurry Girl Photo Book Cover, click on its thumbnail, and then click the purple Customize this template button to load the design into the editor. Once the editor loads, I begin editing the cover text. I double-click on the main title that currently says Blurry Faces and replace it by typing Life Challenges. Since the text wraps onto two lines, I head up to the top toolbar and click the minus button repeatedly to lower the font size, then stretch the text box wider so the title fits neatly across the cover. To give the title a more modern look, I decide to split it into two separate text boxes. I right-click the text frame and select Duplicate. In the top box, I keep only Life, and in the lower box, I keep Challenges. This allows me to adjust and style each word independently. Now I select Challenges and open the font drop-down menu on the left toolbar. I scroll through the font library to test script styles like Brittany, Alex Brush, and Slopes. I settle on the Madeline font, then resize the text box and drag it directly below Life so it aligns cleanly. With the title complete, I move down to the bottom of the page to update the author name. I select the placeholder text, Olivia Wilson, and replace it with Sarah Thomas. Finally, I click on the background area to review the completed book cover. Satisfied with the result, I navigate to the top right corner and click Share. I select Download, leave the settings on PDF, and click the purple Download button to save my design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a book cover on Canva.